What's going on, boys and girls? We're going to do one of these healthy low-carb cauliflower recipes. I know a lot of folks don't like cauliflower because they just don't like the taste of it. You know, I've talked to friends and they say, I just don't like the taste of it. But cauliflower is a good vegetable to have. It's loaded with nutrients, loaded with fiber. So we're going to do this cauliflower rice recipe kind of kicked up a notch. Alrighty, so we're going to start off with the already diced cauliflower rice, and I like that you can dice it yourself with the whole head, but this right here just saves you some work and time. We're going to use a little bit of mild white cheddar here. We're going to use some chopped green onions and some diced tri peppers. I'm going to also be using some a little bit of dill weed. Going to use a little bit of garlic as well too, and we can't forget about the Tony Chachere's. Tony Chachere's, I love Tony Chachere's. If you got one of those markets that carry that, make sure you get you some Tony Chachere's. It's got everything in it. Gonna go ahead and preheat your pan with some either coconut oil, or this is actually ghee. You can use butter, you can use olive oil. Gonna go ahead and preheat it, and gonna add our onions and our bell peppers to it first. Alrighty, this is about 3.5 ounces of green onions. Gotta be careful, there's a little pat down in there. And again, you can chop these yourself. I'm kind of cheating a little bit here. Add this, be careful of the little absorbent pack at the bottom here. Heck, I'm trying not to do it for y'all, but most of the time it gets dropped in there. Make sure we get it all out. We'll let that saute for a little bit. It looks like a lot, it's not. We'll stir it around a little bit. You'll see some bigger pieces in there. Just gonna let that saute for about 3 to 5 minutes, guys. Alrighty, once they start getting dark like this right here, guys, that's what you want them to look like. We can add our cauliflower to it. Now cauliflower, you don't need to cook it very long. It gets real mushy if you cook it too long. Alrighty, so now we're going to add our cauliflower to it here. And again, cauliflower cooks really fast, so you only need to saute it about maybe 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to add our spices, little Tony Chachere's. Add our dill weed. Again, I love dill weed. Heck, I just used the whole bottle. And we're going to put in our minced garlic. About 2 heaping tablespoons of minced garlic. Mix all that in. It looks like a mess, but you're talking about some food deliciousness. Let that saute. So let it go for about 3 minutes or so, and then we'll add our cheese. Now I did put a lid on that so it would cook a little bit faster, but then it's going to also make it produce a little bit of moisture, and we'll take the lid off at the end and let some of that moisture cook off. All right, it's been about 3 minutes, and if you can see down in there, there's a little bit of moisture in there. Now we're going to add our cheese, and we're going to use about half a cup to a cup of the cheese in here, guys. And we're not, you know, that's basically about half of the bag here. We're not going to put the whole bag in there, although it would taste good with it. We're just going to put about that much. That's almost the whole bag, but not quite. And we're gonna let that just kind of cook without the lid for about 3 minutes or so. Again, we don't want it to be too mushy. It defeats the purpose. And really, once you stir it around, it's not really even 3 minutes, maybe about 2 minutes. But look how it's getting the cheese intermingled in there with it. Oh, this is gonna be good. Alrighty, it's been about 2 minutes or so, and it'll start sticking because it's got that cheese in there, so it'll start sticking to the bottom. But this is done, guys, and it will taste delicious, like ain't nothing you've ever had before. And you can still see the individual parts of the cauliflower. That's kind of what you want. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. All right, now you're probably asking, what do you plate it with? So I plated mine with a bone-in ribeye. We got our cauliflower rice with the cheese in it, the white cheddar cheese. We've got the Brussels sprouts with the onions. And it all goes together good, guys. Nice, healthy meal. Take care of everything. Be good.